Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic: how to transfer money from PayPal to OKX in 2025. With the latest updates in fintech, this process has become even smoother, making it easier for you to manage your crypto investments or everyday finances. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned user, I'll walk you through the steps quickly and clearly, so you can get it done in no time. First off, before you start, make sure you have verified accounts on both PayPal and OKX. Verification helps with security and ensures faster transactions. In 2025, OKX might have more direct integrations, but let's stick to the reliable method for now. Step 1. Log into your PayPal account and head to the Wallet or Balance section. Select Withdraw Funds and choose your linked bank account. Enter the amount you want to transfer, double-check for accuracy, and confirm the transaction. Keep in mind, this could take 1 to 3 business days to process, depending on your bank. Step 2. Once the funds hit your bank account, log into your OKX account. Navigate to the Deposit page, where you'll find options for fiat currency deposits. Select Bank Transfer, or the equivalent option available in 2025. Step 3. Enter the amount and follow the on-screen instructions. OKX will provide bank details or a reference number. Make sure to use them exactly as shown to avoid any delays or errors. Throughout this process, watch out for potential fees from PayPal, your bank, or OKX. Always prioritize security by enabling two-factor authentication and verifying all details before proceeding. By 2025, you might see faster options like direct PayPal links, so keep your apps updated for the best experience. And there you have it. That's how you transfer money from PayPal to OKX. It's straightforward once you know the steps. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tips, and leave a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.